subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker Realme has quietly launched its new budget smartphone in Thailand called Realme C2s, and it looks similar to earlier launched Realme C2 smartphone with identical specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Realme C2s features a 6.1-inch HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and the screen is protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek's Helio P22 chipset paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. The smartphone also supports microSD expansion up to 256GB. As per the camera, the Realme C2s comes equipped by dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, the company has added 5MP camera inside the notch with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the device runs on Android 9 Pie out of the box based on ColorOS 6.1, and the handset comes backed by a large 4000 mAh battery. Now, talking about the pricing. The Realme C2s has been priced in Thailand for 1290 Thai baht, which roughly translates to 3000 Indian rupees or $43. So, what do you guys think of this Realme C2s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.